have a little surprise housewarming guest showed up for a party without letting me know. So currently in Belize. This is in Cayo district, a little village in Cayo district. I don't know how close it is to the Belize River. So as you can see, I'm heading south. We work for like, shares, and comments. Got started with that right there. Then this is what we do before installing these right here. So right here is my center of the flooring. I measure from there to there, edge to edge, to get the span, because the house is not square. And then we pop a line, a chalk line. I was hoping to make this work today, but I didn't bring the gas for it. So right now what I'm installing is mid-span blocking in the framing. It's also known as pressure blocking, and is used to reinforce floor joists or deck joists, preventing lateral movement and reducing bounce or deflection, particularly over large spans. So it looks like this is Santa Maria from what I'm getting so far. This one at least. And this one here might be Santa Maria as well. This one is not. So we're chipping away at it, one piece at a time. I have one, two, three pieces already pre-cut. The thing is, some of them that with the blocks that we're putting in, some of these are bigger than the joist that's up there, so it has to be ripped down in case they put a ceiling up. You don't have a piece that's projecting below the joist. So hopefully I ripped it off to the right size and it fits in there perfectly. outskirts of Santa Familia. So in Bolitria, this is the road to El Pilar. About to go across the Mopan River. Had a little surprise house guest.